I'm getting ready to go to the modeling station because I want to be a model when I grow up. That's the main thing I want to do. I've seen at the beauty station that was like giving people makeup and stuff. I think that's really cool. Half of these careers I didn't even know that they existed.
I was really not expecting the FBI to be here. That threw me for a loop.
Here at the career fair, a variety of different jobs, different vendors out here, just trying to show kids different avenues in life that they can take.
Today I talked with National Elective Service. Being in a career fair like this tells me facts about the careers that are out there.
I have seen some things that I've never seen before, and it's amazing. Changed the way I think, changed the way I feel about some things. This changed my life.
Oh, I thought it was cool over at Shoney's, like how they had the mascot and everything. I want to be a nurse or a doctor. You could actually play with like the bodies. I just want to go into the medical field.
Photography, because I'm more of a picture guy. I want to travel and take pictures.
For the first time ever, I think we have a tie this year.
The hospitality category and we have the engineering category, both tied at 256 points.
Hospitality is what Nashville is all about. We will continue to stay involved with this and look forward to winning again next year.
Best in Show for the 4th time. The important thing is that we were here for our students. They had a great time. They were energetic, they were engaged, and they were excited.
For me, seeing the kids, getting this chance to just experience something different is, very eye-opening, and it's something that, I'm appreciative of that the city is doing.
I thought only there was like a medium amount of careers, but it's more careers than what I expected it to be. I'm interested in a lot of these careers here.
The people here that are experienced with going down that career path give me the advice that I need to go down the right path in a career so that I find something that I like and make something out of myself. This place is huge and it's awesome. That's it.